Let's have a look at how we use the client testimonials, client comments, whatever you want to call them, how we use those in our marketing and how you can record those in the Professional Plus edition and get booked. I'm in the client's record, and if I go to the jobs tab and if we highlight the job at the top, you can see on there's a field that says question date, and that's the questionnaire return date. Now, it doesn't have to be comments that have been made on a questionnaire. You can record the date that the client just said to you the carpet looks great, and if you ask could I use those comments, you can record the date in here as well. So I'm just going to mark this as these are comments that we've put in today. Then we've got quest response, which is questionnaire response. That's the comments that have been made on the questionnaire or the comments that have been given to you verbally. So if I just put in here, great job, carpet like new, but they drank too much tea. Now that's a great questionnaire for the great job, carpet looks like new bit, but they drink too much you wouldn't want to use. So we've got a clever way in the Professional Plus edition of paraphrasing what the client said and just using the bits that we want. So if we select the text that says great job, carpet like new, just select that as you would normal text, right click and copy that. And if we just click OK to close that, that's saved all the comments that the clients made on the questionnaire. We can mark the response type as well. Now, in this edition, it doesn't make much difference if you do use this facility, but in some of the other marketing tools that are available in other editions, you can actually call back these comments and the type of comments that have been made and introduce those in some other mailings. So if you start getting into the habit of saving this now, the type of comment that's been made. Now, this is the box that's key, use questionnaire. If we put a tick in that box there, that tells the system that we're allowed to use the comments that the client's made. Okay, so that's where we record the comments. Where we record them so that the system knows to use them and the edited ones that we want to use is back on the Client Details tab here. If we go to the Quote tab, click into this free text field, right click, hit paste, that puts the great job carpet like new in. And then we just need to put the dot to make sure that it's clear that they said more than that. Now there's a second checkbox in here that says use comment quote. If we put a tick in there, the system now knows that those comments, great job, carpet like new, can be used on advertising and can be pulled through in the mail merge on the bottom of the quotation. So let me show you how that works. When you prepare a quotation for a client and you print it out, one of the printing options in this edition will include the 3 most local clients' comments at the bottom of the quote. Now, if you think about that, as the system builds and you start to build data within the database, what you'll actually find is that the comments are from people in the same street. Certainly the same town, but very often there will be comments from people in the same street. And what's great about that is when you give that to the client, particularly if it's an unusual name, Mrs. Mazzarella of Thorn said, great job, carpet like new. And they happen to know that Mrs. Mazzarella lives just around the corner from them. Because it's an unusual name and the testimonials there, then obviously that's much more powerful and people know them. But that's how powerful that testimonial is. Let me show you where that is on the quotation. Okay, so that shows you one of the previews of one of the layouts that you can do and where the testimonials will appear on the bottom of the quotation here. As it says there as well, there's some other information there. But that's basically where the client's testimonials, the 3 most local testimonials that you've got for the address that you're going to. So that's how we use client testimonials in marketing on the Professional Plus edition.